Hi, this is WordPress Holder, the Ukrainian guy who will help you with your website. You can ask me for help by email in the description under this video. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click like. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to install and set up DIVI theme. If my video helped you, let's agree. You can say thank you by leaving some donation. All information you can find in description under this video. So, you got DIVI theme. Congratulations. What you should do next? Go into the DIVI website, AVAX.com, login into account, I already did, and click on it. And here you can see two options, DIVI theme and DIVI builder plugin. So if you use DIVI theme, you do not need DIVI builder plugin at all. Just download DIVI theme. Let's download it. Okay, download. Great, we got it. Now, go into your WordPress installation. If you don't have one, you can get the great hosting, which is Bluehost. The link is under description under this video in the description area. And you can buy it and install WordPress in that hosting, but we're talking about different thing. So, once you got WordPress installation, go into Appearance and Themes. After click Add New, upload theme, and just drag and drop your just downloaded DIVI zip into choose file. Or click choose file and select the archive into some folder. Click install now. Wait just a little bit. It's very wide zip, so should be very fast. Okay, it takes a little bit. By the way, I talked about Bluehost, so there is my affiliate link in description. I will be really grateful if you get host. I get some commissions from Bluehost. You know, you anyway need hosting, so thank you. Yeah. Okay, click activate. Seems successfully installed. Click activate. Now you should go into the DIVI. We have new menu item and theme options. Now go into integration tab. Sorry, not integration, updates tab. And there are two fields, username and API key. You should go into your DIVI account again, click account, and go into the username and API key. Copy it, username and API key. Let's generate new one and API key. Save changes. Okay, now we can get updates from DIVI. Without this, your theme is not licensed and you do not have access to updates. So now let's do some basic configuration. Which I normally do is upload your logo. I don't have logo, so I don't have any image in media library. It's just the website. So what you should do is use Google Fonts and Google Map scripts. I don't need it. Show this disable. Okay, let's scroll to bottom. Enable responsive images. Right, performance. It's all good here. What you can do is go to Builder, Advanced, and I usually disable this file for development. Okay, let's check our front end, and we got our DIVI theme. If you want to view more about configuration, header, footer, and some pages, just let me know in comments. I'll create some video for you. So hope this video helps you. Hope you will buy Bluehost hosting from my affiliate link. Yeah. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good business. Have a great website. Good luck.